In front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then before creating a new one, use those three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Then manage all of those options under alarms however you want to. When you finished, go back. Select this plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. When you're ready, click OK to create new alarm and adjust it however you want to. At the top you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Select this plus next to pause alarm and exclude some dates. Then save them by hitting OK. To remove them, click on Remove button right next to the chosen ones. Then you can tap on those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant routine to disable or enable those options. And finally, tap on Little Bell. If you want to download one of those sound sources, just click on the chosen one and install it from Play Store. Then to use it, click on the chosen one at the top, log in and just use music from it. If you want to, you can also select sounds over here. Tap on Add New under your sounds, click on any song from your device and set it up as incoming alarm one. If you don't want to do that too, just click on one of those sounds, like for example puzzle alarm. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner of your alarm. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it, and to make some changes, click at the top right corner and change wherever you want to. To get rid of your alarm completely, you can delete it thanks to this pin icon at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!